you sick and tired of the disposable razors? Are you tired of shave bumps? Are you tired of spending an arm and a leg on refills? And are you just sick and tired of shaving? Well, my friend, at one point, I was exactly where you are right now. Stay tuned while I share a completely alternative way to shaving. Hey, welcome back. My name is Chris. You can search for me here and on Instagram at shave_and_chat. I'm here with the razor company and I'd really like to show you a completely alternative way to shaving. So if you happen to have stumbled upon this video, I'm thinking that you're sick of these razors. Well, I have great news. There is an alternative way. This right here is a double-edged safety razor. And since I'm showing you this razor, this here is the OliWorks Stainless Steel. And this is what I'm going to be using for my shave today. Now, I'm assuming if you're using your cartridge razor, you're probably using the aerosol can style of shaving cream, whether it comes out a blue gel or it just comes out as a white foam. Regardless, I also have an alternative to one of those. This right here is shaving soap. This Artisan in particular is PAA, aka Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, aka Phoenix Shaving. But when I say PAA, that's what I mean. Now, this soap in particular pays homage to the one and only Creed Aventus. PAA is known for their high quality soaps, and the scent in their soap are phenomenal. Of the recording of this video, you could pick up this soap and this razor at the razor company. And I forgot to mention, this is the Doppelganger Grey Label. So head over to the razor company. I'll leave their link down below here. Or if you can visit them in person, that's even better. Check out the vast variety of PAA soaps and other artisans that they carry, as well as the OliWorks razor and other razors that they carry. And to lather up this amazing soap, I'll be using my Parker synthetic brush. Then once all the growth is gone and my face is feeling nice and smooth, I've shown you how to get in a great shave. I'll go ahead and splash on PAA Doppelganger Grey Label aftershave splash. Now, because I already showed you this, I will be ending off the entire shave with Creed Aventus. All right, let me get in there, get the face wet, and start showing you how you can improve your shaves. Hold tight. And I'll get things started with the leaf pre-shave oil. So I have found by using pre-shave, my shaves have been a lot slicker. And I do have to know everything that I'm doing during this shave are things that I enjoy doing during my shave. You don't have to do everything that I do, but if you want to give it a shot, by all means do so. At the end of the day, wet shaving, which is what I'm doing, is a personal preference. So you shave exactly how you like, my friend. So now that I have the pre-shave on, let's go ahead and load the brush. Oh, PAA always kills it when they pay homage to a certain fragrance. They are fantastic. Alright, so my Parker synthetic brush, nicely loaded. It's ready to be painted on. And when I say I'm loading the brush, I'm basically adding soap to the brush. So what I like to do first is paint the soap on. What I have found is that when I paint the soap on and let it sit there for a little bit, it softens the hair, get ready to be cut. So what I'll do now is load my razor with a Tatra blade. Now, loading a 3-piece double-edged safety razor is pretty straightforward. You want to hold the top head here and twist the handle. And now you just want to separate the bottom plate from the top cap. Now what I do while holding the top cap, I take the blade and I line everything up. Like so. Now I take the bottom plate with all the grooves and I line it all up. To finish, take your handle, start twisting until it's nice and snug. And there you have it. The OliWorks is loaded and ready to get to work. And when tightening the handle, you do not have to go super tight. Just make it so that it is snug. Now that the razor's loaded and the soap has been softening the hairs, let me go ahead and really build this lather. So what I'm doing here is splaying the brush. Now, the whole purpose of this is to help build your lather. It also helps lift your hair so that it can be cut and exfoliates your skin. And of course, when it comes to lathering, you can lather as long or as little as you like. So if you don't want to spend all day lathering, you don't have to. But if you want to take the time, build up a beautiful lather, of course, you are more than welcome to. It is your shave. All right, so the lather is looking fantastic. Now, let's get that shave going. So here we go with the OliWorks Stainless Steel, and I'll be going with the grain. And now if you're wondering, well, what the heck is with the grain? I'll take my cheeks as an example. My hair grows downwards, so I will be shaving downwards, or with the grain, or with the growth of my hair. All right, there you have it. First pass is done. It's feeling fantastic. This is an amazing razor. And just to note, the razor that I'm using has a medium efficient plate. The OliWorks Stainless Steel, they have 3 plates. They have a mild, medium, and an aggressive plate. So if you're just researching razors, what to get, what to use, and you want to pick up an OliWorks Stainless Steel, I recommend grabbing the mild for now and then working your way up. So let me get on with that second pass. And if you're wondering, why am I going to shave again? I find that multiple passes during my shave gives me the best shaves. Once again, you do not have to do everything that I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I love doing. And who knows, if you try this for yourself, you might also enjoy it. Let me go ahead, lather up the face, and get on with that second pass. One thing that I've also been working on quite a bit is keeping my lather consistent with the look and feel throughout my shave. And PAA soaps really help with that. Here we go for my second pass with the OliWorks Stainless Steel, and I'll be going across the grain, which means I'll be shaving across the growth of my hair. And just like that, second pass is done. And you may be wondering, I thought you were going across the growth of your hair. When it comes to my neck area, the growth of my hair is all over the place. Half of it goes this way, half of it goes that way. So I basically go downwards on my neck area. Let me go ahead and get ready for that third and final pass. I know maybe you're thinking, I don't want to spend all day shaving. And once again, you don't have to. You can go do one pass, get in, get out, get on with your day. Or if you want to do 2 passes, you can. Maybe you want to do 1 pass, a few little touch-ups here and there. You do that, or 2 passes, a few touch-ups here and there. You can do that. You can go in for 3 passes. Heck, you can even do more than 3 if you'd like. For me, I have found my best shaves are when I do 3 passes. So hold tight while I get ready for my third and final pass. Along with this phenomenal soap, the OliWorks razor never disappoints. It is a fantastic piece of equipment. The weight is perfect, the angle perfect, the efficiency perfect. It's just an all-around perfect razor. So as you can see, I have a ton of lather on the face. Well, I also still have a ton of lather left on the brush. Honestly, the camera is not doing justice. There is a ton left over. All right, here we go for my third and final pass with the OliWorks Stainless Steel, and I'll be going against the grain. Again, using my cheeks as an example, I'll be shaving upwards. And there you have it. Third pass in the books. I'm telling you right now, if you're looking for a great high quality soap, go check out PAA. All right, let me go ahead, wash off the rest of the soap, finish off the rest of my shave. Stay tuned. Next, I'll get in there with the Parker's Alum Block. So what I've just done was apply alum to my face. Now, the alum is not for everyone. From my understanding, there are guys that get irritation when using the alum, and then there's some guys that just don't use it whatsoever. But as I have been saying throughout this whole video, it's your shave and you do it however you like. So for me, what I have found with the alum, especially when I nick myself, it helps heal any little cuts. It also helps with any irritation that you may get with your shave. And the one thing that I really love about that alum is it gives me a good indication on how well the shave actually went. For example, if my face was really burning or really stinging, then I think I was just being a little too aggressive during that shave. But if there is a slight tingle to a slight sting or nothing at all, then I know I had a pretty darn good shave. And I'm telling you right now, this right here was a pretty darn good shave. Next, what I'm gonna do is clean up my gear, clean up my area, get everything ready for my next shave. Back in a sec. Alright, so this beautiful OliWorks Stainless Steel is all cleaned up and ready for its next use. And this fantastic Parker synthetic brush is all cleaned up and ready for its next use. So I've gone ahead and cleaned up the rest of my area. Now everything is ready for my next shave. And it's crazy because while I've been cleaning, I could still feel the alum doing its thing, working its magic. And actually, while I'm talking to you right now, I still feel the alum working its magic and doing its thing. Next, what I'm gonna do is wash off the alum, and I do recommend washing it off with cold water. Wash it off with cold water and get ready to put on some Thayers. First, I'll apply the clear Thayers, followed by the hydrating milky toner, but with a bit of a twist. Now I'll splash on PAA's Doppelganger Grey Label Aftershave Splash. So when it comes to the PAA splash, they call it an aftershave cologne because it is powerful. And if you enjoy that nice burn you get from aftershave splash, you gotta pick up some PAA. So what I just did was apply the aftershave splash first. This way I'm getting the full effect of the alcohol and the scent. Now what I'm gonna do is apply the splash one more time, but I'm gonna combine it with the Thayers Hydrating Milky Toner. Now by applying the milky toner, what I just did was I turned a alcohol-based splash into skin food. My face feels super soft, the splash smells super amazing, and this is something that I always look forward to. It's time to visit Razor Company's website, pick up an OliWorks, and definitely get some PAA. Alright, let's go ahead and finish off the entire shave with Creed Aventus. And to be frank, if I didn't have the fragrance, I would be super happy with just ending off the shave with PAA's Aftershave Cologne. And there you have it, end of the shave. I really hope that this shave has encouraged you to go out there and change the way you shave. Pick up a double-edged razor, whether it's the one that I use today, the OliWorks, which is amazing. Pick up and soap. PAA is a good choice. Remember to head over to the Razor Company's website. On that note, my name is Chris, here with the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.